is rising, building every day. Dreams become pathways, one step at a time. Windows full of light, thoughts begin to grow. Future keeps calling, watch the vision flow. Every journey starts with a simple spark. Keep your eyes ahead, shining through the dark. Mark Zuckerberg, dreaming something new. Mark Zuckerberg, chasing visions through. Every bright tomorrow starts with what we do. Keep creating always, let the dream come true. Learning never ends, every lesson stays, turning small beginnings into brighter days. People sharing stories, voices from afar. Every bridge we build shows us who we are. Every journey starts with a simple spark. Keep your eyes ahead, shining through the dark. Mark Zuckerberg, dreaming something new. Mark Zuckerberg, chasing visions through. Every bright tomorrow starts with what we do. Keep creating always, let the dream come true. Every open door brings another chance. Every hopeful heart finds a new romance. Move with inspiration, step into the light. Tomorrow is waiting, everything feels right. Mark Zuckerberg, dreaming something new, dreaming something new. Mark Zuckerberg, keep your purpose true, keep your purpose true. From today's ideas to a wider view, keep the rhythm moving. Everybody wanna be in love. Morning sunlight calls, new dreams awaken. Hearts keep hoping, gentle smiles grow. Rhythm feels warm, love keeps rising. Every little step brings us closer. Open your heart, feel the moment. Hands reaching higher, voices together now. Nothing feels impossible when love surrounds. Everybody wanna be, Ngibambe duze ungangidedeli inhliziyo yami ithola ukuthula. Ilanga liyakhanya, izulu limamatheka, sihamba sobabili ngendlela yothando. Woza sisondele, sihambe kancane, umkhulu uyasibiza, sijabule sonke. Bambe duze ungangidedeli, bambe duze kothando lwakho. Sidanse kancane ngaphansi kwezinkanyezi. Bambe duze kuze kuze, umoya upholile, uthando yakhula, amehlo ayakhuluma ngaphandle kwamazwi. Izandla ziyahlangana, ithemba liyaphila, yonke imizuzu igcwele injabulo. Woza sisondele, sihambe kancane, umkhulu uyasibiza, sijabule sonke. Amaphupho ethu akhanye njalo, izinsuku zethu zigcwale injabulo. Sihambe ndawonye singesabi lutho, ngothando kuphela kuze kube phakade. Bambe duze, bambe duze ungangidedeli, ungangidedeli. Bambe duze kothando lwakho, kothando lwakho. Sidanse kancane ngaphansi kwezinkanyezi. Bambe duze kuze kuze, bambe duze ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ilanga liyaphuma, ihamba ngokholo, inhliziyo yami igcwele ukuthula, umoya uyaphephetha, kumnandi namuhla, sihamba sonke ngendlela yokukhanya. Ningikhonzele uthando kuphela, ningikhonzele ngokuthula njalo, izandla ziphakeme, ubuso buyamamatheka, abangani bayahlangana, ithemba liyakhula, izinyawo ziyapika, umculo uyakhuluma, sakha ikusasa ngobunye sonke. Ningikhonzele ngothando kuphela, ningikhonzele ngokuthula njalo, amaphupho ayaphila, asiwalahli neze, kukhona ukukhanya, phambili sihambe, umoya uyasiphakamisa, izinhliziyo ziyavuma, masibambane sonke, sijabule njalo. Ningikhonzele sikhule sonke, ningikhonzele sidanse sonke, uthando luyakhanya, injabulo iyanda, ningikhonzele kuze kusenjalo, ningikhonzele ngothando njalo. Usenguhodle letsatsi letšhaba, re tsamaya hammoho ka lepelo tsentle, minowala moto a sisinyeha, poso selekhanya, thabo yaka tobetsa buhle, utlwa morethetho, tobetsa hape, thabo tswele pele, tobetsa, tobetsa, a re danseng botlhe, tobetsa, tobetsa, thabo e se ke ya fela, pelo e bina, lerato le hala, tobetsa, tobetsa, re keteke bophelo, metswale e every day. Dreams become pathways, one step at a time. Windows full of light, thoughts begin to grow. Future keeps calling, watch the vision flow. Every journey starts with a simple spark. Keep your eyes ahead, shining through the dark. Mark Zuckerberg, dreaming something new. Mark Zuckerberg, chasing visions through. Every bright tomorrow starts with what we do. Keep creating always, let the dream come true. Learning never ends, every lesson stays, turning small beginnings into brighter days. People sharing stories, voices from afar. Every bridge we build shows us who we are. Every journey starts with a simple spark. Keep your eyes ahead, shining through the dark. Mark Zuckerberg, dreaming something new. Mark Zuckerberg, chasing visions through. Every bright tomorrow starts with what we do. Keep creating always, the dream come true. Every open door brings another chance. Every hopeful heart finds a new romance. Move with inspiration, step into the light. Tomorrow is waiting, everything feels right. Mark Zuckerberg, Mark Zuckerberg, dreaming something new. Mark Zuckerberg, keep your purpose true. From today's ideas to a wider view, keep the rhythm moving, let the dream shine through. Yeah. Everybody wanna be in love. Morning sunlight calls, new dreams awaken. Hearts keep hoping, gentle smiles will grow. Rhythm feels warm, love keeps rising. Every little step brings us closer. Open your heart, feel the moment. Hands reaching higher, voices together now. Nothing feels impossible when love surrounds it. Every wanna be, everybody wanna be, everybody wanna be in love. Dancing through sunshine, singing forever now. Every heartbeat speaks, every smile matters. Dreams become brighter, hope grows stronger. Feel the connection, celebrate together. Hands reaching higher, voices together now. Nothing feels impossible when love surrounds. Everybody wanna be, everybody wanna be, everybody wanna be in love. Dancing through sunshine, singing forever now. Everybody wanna be in love. Lift your spirit, share your laughter. Leave the worries, find tomorrow. Love is calling, keep believing. One bright rhythm, one bright future. Everybody wanna be, everybody wanna be, everybody wanna be in love. Side by side now, forever moving on. Everybody wanna be in love. Wanna be in love. Everybody wanna be in love. Ngiwambeduze ungangitheteli inhliziyo yami ithola ukuthula. Ilanga liyakhanya, izulu limamatheka. Sihamba sobabili ngendlela yothando. Woza sisondele, sihambe kancane. Umkhulu uyasibiza, sijabule sonke. Ngihambe eduze, ungangidedeli. Ngihambe eduze, ngothando lwakho. Sidanse kancane, ngaphansi kwezinkanyezi. Ngihambe eduze, kuze kuse. Umoya upholile, uthando luyakhula. Amehlo ayakhuluma, ngaphandle kwamazwi. Izandla ziyahlangana, ithemba liyaphila. Yonke imizuzu igcwele injabulo. Woza sisondele, sihambe kancane. Umkhulu uyasibiza, sijabule sonke. Amaphupho ethu akhanye njalo. Izinsuku zethu zigcwale injabulo. Sihambe ndawonye, singesabi lutho. Ngothando kuphela siyaphuma, ngihamba ngokholo, inhliziyo yami igcwele ukuthula, umoya uyaphephetha, kumnandi namuhla, sihamba sonke ngendlela yokukhanya, ningikhonzele ngothando kuphela, ningikhonzele ngokuthula njalo, ningikhonzele sikhule sonke, ningikhonzele sidanse sonke, uthando luyakhanya, injabulo yanda, ningikhonzele kuze kusinjalo, izandla ziphakeme, ubuso buyamamatheka, abangani bayahlangana, ithemba liyakhula, izinyawo ziyagida, umkhulu uyakhuluma, sakhe kusasa ngobunye sonke, ningikhonzele ngothando kuphela, ningikhonzele ngokuthula njalo, amaphupho ayaphila, asiwalahli neze, kukhona ukukhanya phambili sihambe, umoya uyasiphakamisa, izinhliziyo ziyavuma, masibambane sonke, sijabule njalo, ningikhonzele sikhule sonke, ningikhonzele sidanse sonke, uthando luyakhanya, injabulo yanda, ningikhonzele kuze kusinjalo, ningikhonzele ngothando njalo, oh yeah, uzenguhodle letsatsile tshaba, re tsamaye hamo ka lipelo tsentle, minowala mo pasisinyeha, poso selwe khanya, thabo yata tobetsa butle, utlomoretheto tobetsa hape, thabo tswele pele, tobetsa boso se la bohle lina leli liabonesa bosi ubomonate moya bonolo ore kopanya lipina liala retabile haholo tuveta bute utlomore teto tuveta habe tabwe twelepe twara mototo hosike wacho lora causane capello e buleile mino revita etama